Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post multiple picture on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the left side, tap on create, select image, select on image and tap on this icon, tap on plus and then select another picture, try again. And customize to frame size original. Click on next. And finally click on share. Then successfully post multiple picture on Instagram. So that's how we can easily do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.